Hello! In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make typical Czech sweet pastry that we call Buchty with plums and cottage cheese. And also, I wanted to tell you that even though my dough didn't turn out to be as fluffy and light as I wanted to be, the final product turned out pretty well and it's tasted really well. So my point is that baking is not easy, and just don't give up and learn from your mistakes and try next time. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time.